What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're looking at the DeckTok Smart Foldable Floor Lamp. This is a beefy unit, and the cool thing about this is it doesn't have to be on the floor despite the name. Oh, if we look at the back here, you can actually see that it is wall mountable as well for some really cool effects. I think that's a great aesthetic, especially for someone like me who has an M for his name and brand, so this would very easily turn into an M, right? So this is pretty cool. But having a adjustable floor lamp that could go at any angle or directly straight up and be used as like a reading lamp is actually super useful too. So as we open this up, we'll note that it does list as being compatible with Google and Alexa assistants, as well as having 1200 lumen max, as well as AI lighting and zone control between 2300 and 6500 Kelvin. So the brightness of it. We have our user manual here, and then we have the light itself. This actually isn't too heavy, so I think it's probably in the stand, which makes sense, so it won't fall over. They give us a remote control with dimming, music controls, RGB, brightness, different modes, pretty much everything you would need in a control here. It does need AAA batteries. We do have the adapter so that this can actually be controlled by your phone. You do have to connect this into the line to make it app compatible, but it does have a QR code to connect in the back, and it actually says next work mode. So it's like a network mode, but they call it next work. That's interesting. I don't know if that's a typo or if that's actually a brand, because if it's a brand, that's actually kind of cool. So let's see what other stuff we have here. We've got the tools to get everything set up, including some wall mounts. We have the power adapter here, and whoa. Okay, so if I didn't know any better, like this side looks like a stand. This side, I thought it was a weight. I thought they really gave me a weight in my box here, but this is just a very heavy stand to keep it from falling over. That's actually really cool. But yeah, this feels like, actually, this is 7.5 pounds. This might be like a 5 to 7 pound weight. It's actually pretty heavy. So that's definitely what I was feeling with the box weight here is this, but let's go ahead and put this together. So we're going to grab, I believe this here and a washer, and that's going to let us put the lamp body onto the base. So let's pull this bad boy out. All right, so I actually struggled to figure out how this works, but I think I finally figured it out. So this side, we're actually just going to put the cover completely over, and this side, we're going to put this into. That way we've got the little screw coming out, and we have a really nice top here. Now with the base, we're just going to go ahead and get this started with our fingers, and then we're going to use the included Allen wrench to tighten it up. So let's go ahead and do that now. And we are golden. So now I'm going to plug this in and show you guys what it's like. So it's really easy. It only works one way. There's different connectors. So the power goes into this adapter. This one has 3 ports. You're going to plug that in and you're good to go. We're just going to plug this into the wall here and see what it looks like. All right, so we are plugged in, as you can see. I'm going to hold the on button. And now that we've connected, we can actually change the colors with the remote. Basically, when you turn it on, it enters pairing mode, which you can pair with the phone or you can pair with the remote that they give you. I chose to pair with the remote. We can change the mode so we can have it like kind of fade through colors and things like that. And we can use it as a standard light. You can also dim it or make it brighter. And we could change the type of white color we use. So if you're doing makeup versus if you're reading versus if you just need like studio lighting, it's going to have all the different colorations for whatever works best in your workspace. And then when you want to have some fun, you just go into RGB mode and switch it up there. You can change colors, you can change modes, and you can even rotate these. So if I lift this up, I can change the orientation. So for example, if I wanted this one to go like this, we can actually face all of them one direction, which is pretty neat. So of course I would want mine to be like an M up front. But yeah, lots of ways you can mount this. You don't have to use a stand. You can actually use the wall mounts that are included. You can set up DIY light effects however you like to use this. You can use it as a reading light or as a standard floor lamp. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I think this is pretty useful. It has a ton of different applications that it could be used in. I think this is pretty neat. Definitely check them out. I'll put a link to them in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.